everybody, welcome to Frannie Square. I have my Lion brand yarn here. It all came in. I have it organized on the floor. That's why I'm standing up. So let's take a look and see what I got. Okay, so often I get emails from you telling me about different yarn sales, and Misty contacted me and told me that Lion brand was having a sale on a yarn called ice cream yarn, which she really liked and she thought I might like, and she wasn't sure if it was going to be discontinued or not. So I went on the website, I looked at it, I decided to buy some of it, and while I was there I decided to buy some other stuff too. So let's look at the ice cream yarn first. So this is what the ice cream yarn looks like. This is the color orange, and it comes in 100 gram skeins, 225 yards per skein. It's a 4-weight yarn, 47% cotton, 53% acrylic, very soft. I really like the feel of this. And there you go. That's what that looks like. So I got 5 skeins in each color. I got the orange, I got the lime. Oh, and I believe it's selling for about $2.99 per skein, and it's normally $5.99. And I do think there are some colors left. I'll have links to everything below because I'm not going to remember the prices. So I will put the links below so that you can go check out anything you like. So there's lime. And then this is lemon. Oops, it's upside down. Lemon. I bet you can guess this is blueberry, and this is strawberry. Is that all the colors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. I believe that's all of the ice cream yarn I got. But while I was there, I saw this twisted cotton, which it comes in 100 gram skeins, 98 yards per skein, 69% cotton, 31% acrylic, and it is a 5-weight yarn. And look at this. This color is called Tan and Ecru. Look at that. So it has these little thicker spots. I don't know if you can see that, like that in the yarn. So it's kind of textured, and it's very soft. I got 10 skeins of this, and I believe I paid a little over $2 for it. Again, I'll put the links below. And then I also got it in this navy and ecru color because I thought that was so pretty. So far, I'm happy with this stuff. Okay, this is really pretty. This is 100% Superwash merino. Comes in 100 gram skeins. It's called Anya. 240 yards per skein, and it's a 4-weight yarn. Look at that. And this is called, what color is this? I think it's called Peacock Proud. So I got 10 skeins of this. Comes in packages of 3. Really pretty. And then I got 10 skeins in another color. And this is called Mango Tango or something like that. Look how pretty that is. I love those colors together. So 10 skeins of that. Then let me move on to the woolies. I got these woolies super bundles. Look how big these are. And I got 5 of these in charcoal or anthracite. And it's a 6-weight, bulky weight yarn. I'll show you. That will crochet up really quickly. 80% acrylic, 20% wool. Comes in 340 gram skeins, 212 yards per skein. And if you're sensitive to wool, I would say this might be a little scratchy. It's not bad, but it might be a little scratchy. So I got 5 of these, but I thought this would make a lovely sweater. I could wear a shirt underneath it if I think it's too scratchy. I love that color. Okay, so 5 of those. And then 5 in this color, which is called Fisherman. So that's pretty. Same exact makeup. Then I got 10 of the smaller Woolies Thick and Quick. And that is also a 6 weight. And by smaller, I mean smaller skein. I got 10 of them. I first worked with the Woolies making pumpkins for Thanksgiving. And I really liked how quickly it crochets up. So I thought I'd try some in different colors. And this color is called Dusk. Pretty color. And what size skein is this? It's 140 grams, 87 yards per skein. So that'll make something pretty. It's so good that I organized this. It was a mess when I took it out of the box. Next, they have this touch of yak yarn, and I was curious what it felt like. And it comes in 100 gram skeins, 219 yards per skein. It's a 4 weight yarn. And it's 90% acrylic, 10% yak. I'll show you what it looks like here. And what color is this? Water Lily is the color, which is very pretty. And I'm not going to say it's real soft. It's okay. And it could be slightly scratchy. So, not sure. I'll see when I actually use it, but that's my first impression. It's not like, oh, I want to roll around in this. Speaking of wanting to roll around in this, when I made the Go for Faux hat, I fell in love with that furry yarn. It was so soft. And then I saw these Go for Faux Duo. So it comes with the yarn, a matching yarn, and the fur. And in the picture, you can see how they can be crocheted up into a hat, and you have the yarn and the fur part there. Very soft. And this is 50% acrylic, 50% polyester, 200 gram skein, 73 yards per skein. And it says the fur is a 7 weight and the yarn is a 6 weight. And I like how those two go together. It's kind of like that snow bunny look. So I got 2 of those. I got 2 in this color, which is called Gray Husky. That's pretty, 2 together. I like those. I'm probably going to have more hats than I know what to do with. I'll give them to some of the kids. And then this color is called Tan and Mink. Tan and Mink, so soft. And then I got Black and Black Panther. That'll be pretty too. That'll make something nice. Okay. So those are the Go for Faux duos. Then I got Baby Soft. Looks like I got 5 skeins each of these colors of Baby Soft, which is 60% acrylic, 40% nylon. It's a 3 weight yarn. So let me show you this. It's a 3 weight yarn. It's definitely soft. This is called Little Girl Pink. It comes in 140 gram skein, 459 yards per skein. So I got Little Girl Pink, Creamsicle. I used to love creamsicles. And Pansy, really pretty purple. So I got those 3 colors. This is great. When they have a sale, I get to try yarns that I have never tried before at a better price. I love doing it that way. Okay, now another yarn I have never tried before is Vanna's Choice, and I think it was like $1.75 per skein or something like that. So I got, and there were only 4 colors on sale, I think, because those are the 4 I got, and I got 10 skeins of each. And right off the bat, just picking these up, not soft. They're just very That's what you get for $1.75 per skein, I guess. So I got Lemon. Oh, let me tell you about the yarn. They come in 100 gram skeins, 170 yards per skein. They're 100% acrylic and a 4-weight. So let me show you that. I mean, this would be fine for a blanket or something. I wouldn't make clothing out of it myself. It's not scratchy or anything, just not soft. Okay, so lemon I got. Let me put this down with it. What color is this? Dusty cedar. Chrysanthemum. It's a pretty color. And lemon pepper. I like that color name. That really captures this color, lemon pepper. So those are the Vanna's Choice. Then I got something called Re-Up. I had never seen it before. It was 87 cents a skein, so I said, let me give it a try. It's recycled cotton. I figured it'd be good for kitchen products. This is what it looks like. I got 5 of this color, and all the other colors I only got 1, but I really liked these colors together, and I figured it would go with my kitchen, although I'm moving, but maybe it'll go with my new kitchen. So this is a 4-weight yarn, 100% recycled cotton, 103 yards per skein, 60 grams per skein. Nothing soft about this whatsoever. You would not want to make a wearable out of this. Definitely for a kitchen item. Okay, so I got 5 of that. Then I got it in cotton candy and bubblegum, black and white. What's this called? Lilac? Lilac. And the yarn is coming out. Lime. Orange. Red. And aqua. And navy. So those are the colors of Re-Up that I got, which will be good for some kitchen thing. Wow, I can't believe it. We're down to the last yarn, which is called Summer Nights. I got 6 different colors of this. So let me just tell you about it first. It comes in 200 gram skeins, 875 yards per skein. It's a fingering weight, and this is the bonus bundle. And it's 82% acrylic, 18% polyester. Has a little bit of a sparkle in it. See, it's pretty. This is called Ocean Cove. Really pretty and very soft. Very soft. And this one is called Castaway. Really pretty. I like the little bit of sparkle in it. Summer Nights. Look at those colors. Really pretty. Treasure Island. If I say really pretty again, they are all really pretty, and they all have that little bit of sparkle. Oh, this one. So they've all had silver sparkle, except these last 2 have gold sparkle. This is Sunset. See that? And this one is Stargazing. Also has gold in it. See that? Let me make sure the others aren't gold. No, the others look silver. Okay, so that is all the yarn, believe it or not. That went quickly. I have not yet used any of these yarns, so if you've had experience with these yarns, I'd love to hear your experience, and I'm sure the community would as well. It helps everybody when they're deciding whether or not to buy a yarn. So if you've used these yarns, let us know what you think of them, how they worked up, if the products held up, if they washed well, anything you know about them, we would love to know. Okay, I'm just going to pick these up, put them back in the boxes, get them ready for the move. As always, thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Remember to make it your own, and I'll see you soon.